How to use Dropbox. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you will have to install your application. Go to your Play Store and then search for Dropbox. This is the app you will be looking for. Simply install it. After your application is installed, what you will have to do is sign up. Create a free account in your application. And now after you have created your application and the installation is complete, you will have to give access to your files and folder in your device. Now in order to use it, what you will have to do is you can access your files from Dropbox when you give access to your files and folders. So here you can see you can upload photos and videos instantly, and then also scan your documents. So you can also share your files and photos once you upload it from your device and share it to your friends and family. It will also not degrade any quality and your sharing will be much faster. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.